Hi everyone! In this video I will share with you my first opinion about coloring magazines from Coloring Haven. The publisher kindly sent to me 4 of their new issues, and now I have 4 new favorites in my coloring book collection. I like everything about these magazines, the quality of printing and of course the pictures to color inside. Inside we have 40 one-sided pages to color, and let me show what I get. I have now Magic and Mythology Special by Lindsay Archer. The next one is Mermaid Special by Selena Fennick. And this is my first book by Selena. The third is absolutely amazing annual collection of the best pages from the previous issues. This is a collection from the various artists which were presented in the previous issues. And the last one is the 32nd issue of the journal. I will dedicate a separate video to each of the issue, and for the first video I selected Magic and Mythology Special. If you live in United Kingdom, in Canada or USA, I believe that it will be easy for you to get this book from the stores or supermarkets, but the easiest way to get these beauties for other people is from the publisher's website. I will leave you a link in the info box below, and here you can find all the issues, and you can see that they have the special issues dedicated to Christmas, Halloween, and a lot of beautiful magazines dedicated to magic, mythology creatures, angels, dragons, fairies. And the only thing I noticed is that these magazines are so popular that many beautiful issues are already out of stock, and sadly you can't purchase them. So if you like the last issues like Mystical Beauties and Mermaid Special, you have to hurry and purchase them. And it's great that the worldwide delivery is available. So the size of the magazine is almost 30 by 21 centimeters, and as I said, inside we have 40 one-sided pages to color. On the cover we have some information about the artist Lindsay Archer, who is quite famous for her illustrating the playing games, and she also has a book Fairies and Color Pencil, and I will leave you a link to her personal site in the info box. This is my first acquaintance with Lindsay artworks, and I'm really happy that thanks to the Coloring Haven, now I knew a new wonderful artist. The paper is decent quality, bright white, and the binding is glued and without perforation. And honestly, I really prefer pages without perforation. On the left side, we have the name of the drawing and sometimes a short story about the character. Pictures represent magical rituals or mythology characters, and I was very happy to find here the characters from the Norse mythology like Odin here. The first pages are less complicated, and you have a great possibility to practice your coloring of skin, faces, sky, landscapes. Of course, we have unicorns. And then we have much more complicated pages like this Aphrodite from the Greek mythology. This beauty is Selkie from Scottish and Irish folklore. And of course we have mermaids here. And here we have Poseidon and Lorelei. And then we have some Egyptian gods. This one is Cleopatra, of course. And then we have Anubis. Hathor and Isis. You may be surprised by my choice, but I selected as my first page an Indian god Ganesha. Now let's talk about the quality of the paper. My first test is with alcohol-based markers and the paper is perfect. Of course there is bleeding, but you just have to use the blotter page to protect the other pages of the magazine, but the pigment stays in line and markers mix perfectly well. So this is definitely one of the best choices for this book. The next test is with watercolors, and of course paper isn't the real watercolor paper, but still I am able to mix colors without any stains, and I am able to lift excessive pigment with the wet brush, so the watercolors are very well suitable to create backgrounds. You can see that there is no bleeding through, you just have to iron your page before using your pencils. And of course, I tested all my pencils on the paper, and the paper has a very nice tooth for each kind of pencils, by both oil-based and wax-based, but my choice was as usual Prismacolors. I will show you the speed coloring for this page in my next videos, and now let me show you the rest of the pages because they are really beautiful. The picture of Indra. And here we have very interesting Chinese god of war, and I'm always so excited to learn something new from my coloring books. And here we get back to the Norse mythology. Taro is a god from Asia, from Anatolia. And of course here we have Loki and Thor on the next page. I think that Lindsay drew very beautiful faces, both for men and women. This one is determination. And the last two pictures are by Greek Athena. Look how detailed is this picture. And on the back cover we have an advertising about another very interesting magazine by Anthem Publishing, which is Dot to Dot. I think it's funny. I'm extremely happy to add this magazine to my coloring book collection, and I already want to color Loki and Thor and Athena and all the Egyptian gods. Of course, I will show you all my speed coloring processes, and let me know if you need more detailed tutorials. And if you're interested in purchasing this magazine, I will leave you a link in the info box below to the publisher's site. Thanks for watching, and until the next videos. I will show you another 3 issues of this magazine, and they are also extremely beautiful. Happy coloring to all of you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.